sikko tatami sikko lo kain no yero hete ba khale kle e do kle le no kle do kle le no ta le kle e ni no palle o tenyo ba no pa ba le te kha bi de ga one by one narrow gate okay one by one the wise gate mean you can enter a lot of people okay a lot of people can enter I want to tell you about something okay the wide gate is better than narrow gate okay the wide gate is have the before has happiness joyful tension everything နော်တော့ပမေပါကွာလပတောင်းမပုန်နေနော်ဖိနေကလအီတော့ကလလေနော် the narrows and the wide gate the narrow and the wide gate နော်တော့ပွေတဲ့မှာလားနော် enter through the narrow gate နော်လည်းနဆူ class အီကီအဲ့ဒါနော် For wide is the gate and the broad is the road that leads to destruction, and many enter through it. But small is the gate and the narrow, the road that leads to life, and only the few find it. No, only the few find it. No. ပကတဲ့မှာလဲကစိတ်စုကတူတာနော်ကတူတာနဲ့တဲရတယ်လေနော်လန်နဆူကလစ်အီဒီကီနော်တဲရနော်ကလစ်မီလေတော့နော်ပမိတ်တဲမှာလာပကတဲ့မှာအလောလေပဲတော့ကေရောရလာကလေလတာတကရဘာဝတိဖာတော့ပွာအားကလည်းနဝဖနေလို့နော်ဘာသာလာကေရောဖေးနေ Maybe small is the great, no small is the gates are narrow, no talo small sidane, no talo clear e no clear e sidane, no clear e sidane meta clear palle no dinyo no small gates is not easy to enter, okay not easy to enter. This is very difficult, very difficult. You know, the Bible, nobody want to read Bible, okay? Nobody want to read Bible. Few of them want to read Bible because I know the Bible is very gentle, okay? I very like it. That's why I read it all the time. Bible is saved my life, okay? Before, we know we are sinner, okay? We are sinner, but we cannot deny the Bible. Jesus written, Jesus spoken, everything is the truth, okay? Jesus spoken, everything is truth, okay? We know the narrow and the wide gate, not easy. The wide gates, a lot of people can enter. Sorry, because they has happiness, okay? They has happiness. They can dance it. They can eat it. Whatever they want, they eat. Okay, they joyful. But narrow gate, you cannot do like this. You're so patient, and you should be think about carefully. Okay, and you had to be sacrificing sometime too. This is very very painful. Okay. Let us go to our book to pass on that kind of no. Tala class a lene paleve a make class a ini paleve coromano no. Pakalele tatumatamo dune no. Dinyo sikowa no. Tatumatamo tatukutakune dinyo sikowa no. Hi, no. I love you guys. I love you guys. No. Let us go to our book to pass on okay. Whatever you want your life for free, reading Bible. Okay, you never do the bad thing anymore. Okay, you know you lost so many things. Okay, you lost your mom, or you lost your friend, or you lost somebody very important, but you cannot sacrifice him. Okay, you cannot sacrifice him. Okay, this is an important thing. Okay, you understand one day we are all dying. Okay, one day we are all dying. Okay, that's why we think about we had to do the good thing in the earth. Okay, living just like brother and sister. Okay, don't hate each other. Okay, don't kill each other, because killing murder is the God doesn't like. The God don't like. Stealing too, the God don't like. Okay, remember this all the time. Okay, you gotta remember, no? Pakralo patu patalo. Okay, this is me. You go to the small. Okay, you go to the small gate. Okay, small gate. Small gate is nobody can enter. A lot of people want to enter, but they can't, because this is sacrificing, and they're very hard to enter. Okay, sometimes that I believe, cause okay, when my mom or my dad example is dying. Okay, they are dying, I feeling about so bad. Okay, it's a God live in the world, or God have in the world, God are in the heaven. Why they don't have? I believe something about the Bible talking so many things. Okay, so many things. You're doing bad thing to God. Whatever you don't do bad thing to God, never mind. Okay, you do something in your something bad to your friends, your neighbor, your family. This is the God punish exactly. Yeah, God punish exactly. Remember that this is a north. This is a not narrow gate. Okay, not narrow gate. This is a wide gate, because you can choose it easily. You can choose it. Okay, you can choose it easily. I will tell you the truth. Okay, one narrow gate. Before you do, you think too much. Okay, you think too much. You want to stay longer. Okay, you don't want to do anything bad. Okay, that's why it's better than to you. Okay, think about carefully. Okay, nobody want to take it this mean. Nobody want to take, because the life is so hard. I believe in the study about in the school. Okay, in the school they are teaching about the science. Okay, geography, whatever they teach. Okay, they telling about not prove it. Yes, I believe so. Not prove, because spiritual is we cannot prove it. Okay, we cannot prove it. That's why we go into the narrow gate. We try in the bed. Okay, we don't get it, but one day we will see. We will see. Okay, we will see. A lot of people thinking doing something so badly. People do to you something. Okay, so bad. Forgive them. Okay, when you forgive them, the God in heaven already forgives you. Okay, you don't need to think about any bad thing to do bad to them. No way. Okay, don't think about it. God doesn't like. Okay, the God wants you sacrifice the same like Jesus. Jesus forgives every person. Okay, every person. People slap him, forgive. This is a narrow gate. Okay, you cannot be entered. You are not professional. You are not perfect. Okay, you cannot be entered. This is a narrow gate. Okay, people slap. People tell you so badly. People hate you. People tell you. Maybe people kick you out. People tell you badly. This means narrow gates. Okay, you can enter easily for you. You can enter. Okay, once you has good heart, you can change their heart too. Okay, the God's with you. Sometimes the God with you, the Holy Spirit, maybe with you, stay with you. You has confidence to feeling to God. Okay, feeling to God. You're confident. Very good thing. Okay, you don't have to worry about your life future. That's why you can do whatever you want. This is a God given you. Once you think about the narrow gate is the evil cannot touch you. Okay, remember when you enter to the narrow gate, the evil cannot touch you. I believe, I believe. Before I think I read the Bible, I don't understand so many things, but I think about the God is the God have. Okay, I don't know exactly where is the God. Okay, maybe I had to find it. I read in Bible. I find so many things when I'm 18 years old. Okay, but I don't get it. I know that God is only just I has them about 40 years. Okay, 40 years, the age of 40. The long journey to go. Okay, long journey to go. Exactly, I accept the cards. Okay, 40 years. That's mean I class to reading Bible every day, every day, every day. When I read the Bible, my house cleaning, I kind of hate any person in the world. Whatever I do something wrong, they mad, I can please in him. Okay, they hate me, whatever they hate me, but I can forgive them easily. Okay, because I know that Jesus teaching me. Okay, Jesus speaking is very powerful. Okay, that's why I wanted you to think about the narrows and the wide gate. Be careful in your life. Okay, the wide gate mean, but before you can happy, after that you will get dangerous and that your life is in the hell. Okay, but you think about once you go to the narrow gate, before you think about this is a very narrow. Okay, very narrow. You can enter only person. You cannot call your friend, your brother, your sister. Okay, you go into there first by yourself first. Okay, once you pass in the narrow gate, you will see happiness, joyful, never want to come back. Okay, in your life to the earth. Okay, I glad you hear that, and I think about you will get it. Okay, you can read in there the Matthew chapter 7 verse 13 to 14. Okay, Matthew chapter 7 verse 13 to 14. This is a narrow gate and wide gate. We had to think about this. I share only a little bit. I'm not good speak English. Okay, you can read it by yourself. Maybe you can feel it by yourself. Okay, you can think it by yourself. Okay, this me. I thank you so much watching my channels. Okay, I want to thank a lot of people watching my channel. Everyone personal. Okay, you will get it that one day Holy Spirit can upon you, and then you will be the same like Son of God. Okay, God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye.